The following video is to show you how to replace a Rain Bird transformer. So this is again just for demonstration purposes, and this only applies to certain models. But basically, this is a 115 to 120 transformer that steps down the voltage to approximately 24 to 27 volts AC. These particular transformers have a tendency to split, crack, the prongs get loose. I've seen many different variations of damage to these things, but essentially after so many years in the heat, the plastic resin happens to disintegrate. It becomes a fire hazard essentially. So anyways, I'm just going to show you how to replace this. It's literally a 2-minute job. So unplug your unit from the wall outlet, open up your Rain Bird unit. And again, this is just one example of multiple different Rain Bird units, so this is just for demonstration purposes. Open up the front faceplate or the panel to expose the wires that are back here. Get yourself a Phillips screwdriver. You'll notice there's 3 different wires here. For this particular demo, it shows that it's orange color coded, but just know that these 2 wires, these first 2 wires here, are for power. And then the third one is ground. It's actually even labeled on the plastic itself, so you can't mix this up. But always remember, green is ground. That is a universal color, and that is also the universal connector for your replacement transformer. So what you're going to do is you're going to remove these wires. It's real easy. Just going to undo them. You can see that it's a spade connector. You'll just remove it from underneath the screw, the whole thing. So let's just get rid of these. There we go. So all 3 connectors have been removed, and again, remove it with the spade connector. Pull the wire out of the system, get your new transformer. Now the color codes are going to be a little bit different, and then the connections are going to be a little bit different. But essentially you're going to slide your, this is your new transformer, you're going to essentially slide the wiring through the bottom of the case. What I would suggest is maybe make a knot on it. This way it doesn't slide to the bottom of the case. This way it's secure. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put each one of these wires underneath the terminals. So your first 2 terminals are power. So let's put the first wire on. You're just going to slide the wire underneath the screw head. You're not going to do anything fancy. You're not going to try to wrap the wire around the screw or anything like that. So let me just get that underneath there. Slide that wire underneath the screw. There you go. Make sure they're secure. I'm going to do the last one. This is ground. That's pretty much it. The wires are secured underneath the screws. Again, your first 2 screws are power. Third one is ground. There's no way to mix them up because it's actually stamped into the plastic, which says this is power. And then this third one, of course, is ground, and it says ground down here as well. And then you're simply going to close your timer up and plug your new transformer. It's that easy. Anyways, if you have any questions, give me a call. Thank you.